How to use Generali Home Insurance Luxembourg properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Generali Home Insurance in Luxembourg is designed to protect your home and belongings, but many homeowners make simple mistakes that cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that owning a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One of the most common errors is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs and home improvements mean your policy may not cover the full cost of rebuilding your home or replacing your possessions. Regularly check your sums insured and adjust them to reflect your home's current value, including any renovations or upgrades. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent mistake. Generali policies include personal liability coverage, but some homeowners reduce limits to save money. This can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property, or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Moving, renovating, or purchasing new valuable items can change your coverage needs. Not informing Generali may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss out on available discounts. Generali offers savings for bundling home and car insurance, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce your payout. Document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. Being proactive ensures faster settlements and smoother processing. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Generali Home Insurance Luxembourg. Make sure your coverage reflects your home's true value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently, giving you real peace of mind and protection for your home.